I created the Managing Urethral Obstructions in the Male Dog workshop because I have been called out so many times when I had my mobile practice into a practice to do a urethrotomy to remove a stone because it could not be retropulsed back into the bladder. 99% of the time I would get there and I would simply actually retropulse the stone back in the bladder and either do the cystotomy or leave that for the veterinarian to do. And I also found that cases would be referred to me when I was in the referral practice for a urethrotomy. And of course, we would always start with retropulsing the stones to see if we could avoid doing a urethrotomy, because yeah, certainly that's something you want to avoid doing. And most of the time we did. What I found is that although veterinarians are following the technique that is written in the books, it's the details that are missing. And you know how they say, devil's in the details. Well, that is so the case with retropulsing stones back into the bladder in a male dog. I'm going to tell you, if it is an acute obstruction in a male dog and you cannot retropulse the stones back into the bladder, the problem is not that the stone is stuck, the problem is your technique. It's all in the technique. Chronic stones, very chronic stones, are a little bit different. In the workshop, of course, I do give the information on how to do a urethrotomy and how to minimize complications with the urethrotomy. In the odd chance that this particular stone that you're dealing with is the one that can't be retropulsed. Enjoy the workshop.